Let me show you how you can customize AOD on a Samsung A36 5G. So first of all, once you actually open the settings, you will have to scroll down and move for lock screen and AOD. And right here, to turn it on and off, you have to for sure use the switcher. And when you tap here, you can hide or show now bar. And also you can select when you want to show it. As a schedule for new notifications, you can tap to show or just simply get it always, because this is how it works, right? You want to get it always on the screen. And now if you want to get clock of the always in display, you can also do this by going into Galaxy Store, into actually settings, and then we'll have to go into themes. Now go into AODs and simply download AOD that you want to get. So let's say that I don't want to pay for it, so I'm gonna get free one, and I would like to get some animated. So I have to tap on it, click apply. I'm gonna select for clock and image, so I'm gonna click done, and now let's find out if it works. Yeah, there we go. Here I have my animation.